Oh no!
What? Miss one?
I'm not even gonna show you this. You're gonna laugh.
I always get bird's nest out.
Good luck with that one. Give it back.
I'll go up. I want to go fishing.
I need to go to Walmart now. Hold that down. Shut up.
Please put that in the video.
Hey! Oh, I got one. Got one. On the brush hog. Brush hog right in the side of the mouth. Not the side, the bottom of the mouth. What am I talking about? Hey, let's get the release on this guy. Okay, so how I caught that fish was I had this black and red flake baby brush hog in a 1/4 ounce bullet weight, and I was just pitching it out there, casting it out right by this little current. Then I was just going like this. Oh, I got one, guys. Got him. On the Senko. Oh my gosh, he's tiny. Guys, he is tiny. Just got a small one on the Senko. I know there's way bigger one. This is tiny compared to here. There's fish in this pond that could eat this fish. It's really fat though. Okay, I'm gonna let him go now. RB! Oh! Yeah! He's right there! Look at him! He's still got the frog in his mouth.
Got a tiny bass on the fluke. Little chartreuse zoom super fluke.